Hello, hello. I guess you can call me the queen of Wear and Go Wigs. This is the premium lace wig, and this is a deep wave wig. I'm so excited about this one because it is gorgeous. It is 20 inches. This is what your packaging normally will look like from premium lace wigs. You of course get the full shebang. You'll get clips, you'll get lashes, you'll get a comb, you'll get your lace band, and you'll also get an HD wig cap. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like fresh out of the package, out of the bag. And again, this is deep wave hair, and you also get your detail of your wig on your tag. Just look at how beautiful these deep wave curls are. This is what the inside of your cap looks like. You have your combs, you have your band, and you have your invisible lace, your HD lace, which is transparent enough to fit on your head without any knots being sewed. You do not need bleaching, you do not need to cut the lace. Everything looks perfect as it is, because the point of the wig is for it to be a wear and go. And with these perfect details, how could you not just want to put this wig on and go? So I absolutely love this wig. Again, it is the deep loose wave, and let's just put this on. This is what the wig is going to look like fresh out the box. It is simple to put on. All you need to do is just slide this baby on. I like to have a nice wig cap on so I can protect my hair. You don't have to have a cap on, but for me I just do. So you just simply put your wig on like so, and as you can see, it already blends in with my scalp. I didn't have to do much. I literally just took this wig right out of the package, and bam, bada boom, it is on and looking gorgeous. This is fresh out of the box. As you can see, the pattern is just beautiful. The wig requires literally no work. So if you are a newbie and do not know how to take care of a wig, don't know how to install a wig, this is literally for beginners. Or it could be for people like me, where you are just literally lazy and you don't want to do any gluing, any cutting, want to do any blending. This is literally the wig for you. All the details will be in the description box below. And again, I love me a wear and go wig because I literally can wear this wig and go. You can check out the wear and go section on their website, and I'm telling you, you can never go wrong. So once again, when applying this wig, all you have to do is take the elastic band, stretch it out, and put it on the back of your head. And you are going to put it on like so and get ready and go. This is me with my makeup all done and ready, and as if I'm going to literally walk out the house. And I just want that. I want to be able to just slip on a wig and literally wear it and go out the house, like literally leave. So with this wig from Premium Lace Wig, you can get that. Again, this is Premium Lace Wig, and this is their deep loose wave wear and go, and it is just literally amazing. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, you can style it if you want, but for me, the point is to wear these and go. And I love that I can do that and still look great and not have to do much work. The pattern is amazing and I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.